everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all a easy delicious snack recipe. So this snack is how to make a easy cheese spread. So without wasting any time, let's get started and make sure to like, subscribe, comment and share. So let's get started. So the things that you need are some salt, a pinch of salt, some chaat masala, some pinch you're going to use, some butter, some Amul cheese slices, and some veg mayonnaise. This is optional. Some tomato ketchup, some bread. You can use either a white bread or a brown bread. So let's get started. And the step number 1 is you're going to put a pan on a stove on heating on a high flame. Then I'm going to take my slice of bread and put it on my pan. I'm just going to cook this bread with just one side. It should get something like this, crispy. Then I'm going to put this on my dish. Time for another one. Okay, so we are done. Then I'm going to take my slice of bread and just spread some butter on this. I'm going to put the butter which we have cooked side. I'm going to put that on my cooked side. Okay, so I'm just done spreading my butter. Then I'm going to take some mayonnaise. This is optional, guys. If you want to put mayonnaise, you can. If you don't like this, you can skip, but I love mayonnaise, so I'm just spreading some mayo, just spreading with a butter knife. Okay, now I'm also going to put some ketchup. Now I'm going to take just a little pinch of salt. We are not going to put a lot because already we are having butter salty ones and the cheese salty. Just I'm going to sprinkle a bit. Okay, now I'm going to give this a side. So I have here my cheese. Now I'm going to take my cheese and just cut some slices like the strips to just place on my bread. Now I'm going to take my bread and take the strips of cheese. Slowly going to put this on my bread and cover my whole bread. It's up to you how much cheese do you like. So I love cheese a lot, so I'm going to put a lot of cheese. Okay, that's enough. Now I'm going to take a pinch of chaat masala and just put this something like this. That's enough. So that's it. So guys, here are my 2 breads are ready, cheese breads. Now I'm going to pop this into the microwave for 1 minute until this get melt. So let's put this in the microwave. So I'm going to put this in the microwave and just close. Now I'm going to set the dial for 1 minute. And here we go. So guys, it's done. Let's open and see. Whoa, yum. So guys, here is our cheese bread. You need to try this, guys. This is such a delicious snack to eat when you're hungry, and this tastes so delicious. So let's cut this and see. Just let me cut. So guys, this is hot and delicious. Guys, you need to try this and make sure to like, subscribe, comment and share. Bye guys.